natural tornado! Are you ready to watch something tonight?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. Oh, I guess. Actually, are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Wait a second. Before we start. We're on the wrong one, actually.
I'm hungry. Have you got any food? Okie dokie. Here we go! Good enough! Let's kick things up a notch. There is a bomb strapped to my chest.
And if I laugh, I die.
Let's go! So nice.
This will be so easy.
Dear Mario, do not come to the castle. I have baked an excellent cake.
Women.
Okie dokie.
That's not what I meant. God, I wish that was me. Hang on, I forgot what I was doing here. Everybody, hold on. That was nothing. I forgot what
The funniest Nintendo.
Oh, here we go! You can never get hit by a blue shell if you're never in first place. Leaving your DS in storage for 6+ years and it's at 80% battery still.
How is this funny? Oh, doggy. Where's the funny? There it is. Oh, yeah! Wow, that's just like me!
I won!
No more saying cuss words, guys. It's inappropriate and violent.
That's not funny.
Mario has a disturbing backstory. 2 Italian plumbers found out their girlfriends were missing. They quit their job and went on a mission to find them, but they realized something was off about the fathers of their girlfriends.
No.
Skill issue.
Look how much trust he has in me. He's putting full faith in me right now, which is his first mistake.
E bezzuto che ne con omaeto.
I'm not sure about that one. I don't know if that checks out.
Ow! My...
Oh my God, he's dead.
They took my job!
Hey, what's going
What
on?
the hell is this? Okay, bye-bye.
Oh, hell yeah!
Oh my God, no way.
La la la, la la la.
I like what you're going for, but I'm not part of it. Hey, hang on. I think I know how to take this guy down.
Princess is stinky. Here, hold this.
The protagonist of the series. He is an Italian-American fighter.
What?
You think you're fucking better than me? Think you can beat me?
Come on!
Go back. I want to be monkey. I'll make it look easy. Good to see you.
This always happens, alright?